Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Don Patterson. I'm the CTO of Blockpliance. Blockpliance is a risk compliance company that works exclusively in cryptocurrency. We're very interested in helping our customers not participate with cryptocurrency addresses that are high risk, involved in various kinds of crimes or suspicious activities. Well, last night, Bitcoin crossed the $100,000 mark. And in order to celebrate that and the growth of the cryptocurrency ecosystem, we're launching a new tool to help augment our existing offerings. What we've found as a company is that we've got two primary kinds of customers. One are institutional customers that are very interested in doing high volume, high throughput assessments of cryptocurrency addresses. For example, exchanges that want to make sure that their clients aren't trading with anyone that's on a sanctioned list or otherwise high risk. So those customers are using our API. Their computers are talking to our computers and getting lots of high volume assessments of whether or not there's some sort of risk involved. The other kind of customer that we have is we have boutique customers that are working with counterparties in high value transactions that need to make sure that their one or two off transactions aren't engaging in something that's going to get them in some sort of trouble. So we have a tool called the Ledger Navigator that helps that second category of people identify risk. It's a data analytics visualization. It shows how our machine learning grades the risk associated with a particular cryptocurrency address from A to F. It's a very technical diagram, and although we've put a lot of effort into making it very easy to understand, it still has a lot of numbers and a lot of different kinds of information on it. So today we're releasing a tool that's going to drill down even more on this user interface problem and make it even easier for folks to understand why we're giving a particular grade to a cryptocurrency address that we are. This is a pair with our Ledger Navigator, and we're calling it our Narrative Navigator. And so what this is for our existing customers that want to opt into a beta version of this, you are able to get an analysis in narrative form of a particular cryptocurrency address report. So let me give you just a real quick example of what that looks like.
When you use the Ledger Navigator, you enter in a cryptocurrency address that you're interested in, and you get back a report that looks something like this. In this case, the address receives a B- score, meaning moderate risk. You can see it's labeled as an exchange with peer-to-peer properties. You have a deposit analysis in the upper left and a withdrawal analysis in the upper right. And you can see all the counterparties that this address has done an exchange with. A lot of information there, but it's kind of hard to make sense of. And that's why we've introduced the Narrative Navigator. The Narrative Navigator will analyze this report and give you a narrative analysis such as listed here. Reading a few of the points from it. Based on the information and grading rubric provided, I assigned the address, 16p, etc., a grade of B- due to the following reasons. The source of funds, the majority of funds from reputable sources, the transaction behavior, the attribution, and the public information. In conclusion, the B- grade reflects the moderate risk associated with the small percentage of funds received from a peer-to-peer exchange balanced against the overwhelming majority of funds coming from low-risk sources and the address's legitimate transaction patterns. We look forward to your feedback and are eager to assist you with any future inquiries. In a nutshell, this is breaking down the data analytics presentation we've given you with some reasons to understand why we arrived at the B- score.
If you're interested in trying this out, hey, reach out to us. We'd love to set you up with a trial offer of some kind so you can see whether this meets your needs. Happy Bitcoin $100,000 day.